A few years ago, running a marketing campaign meant a team, a writer, a designer, an SEO specialist, a video editor, an ads manager, and a budget big enough to pay all of them. Today, one person with the right AI tools can do the work of that entire team faster and for almost nothing. I'm not exaggerating. There are marketers right now running campaigns that used to require 5 people alone from a laptop. The only difference between them and everyone else is that they know which tools to use and for what. So in this video, I'm giving you the exact stack, 7 AI tools that cover every part of digital marketing, from research to content to ads. I'll tell you what each one does, how people actually use it, and the one mistake that wastes all of their power. Whether you market your own business or do this for clients, this is the video to save. Let's go. Quick note before we start. This channel is about using AI to work less and earn more, so I'm not going to just list tools and read features at you. For each one, I'll show you the job it replaces and how to actually get value from it. And one thing to keep in mind as we go, because it's a secret most people miss, the goal is not to use all 7 at once. The best marketers start with one tool that fixes their biggest bottleneck, master it, and then add the next. A simple stack that you actually use beats a complicated one that just drains your subscriptions. Keep that in mind, and here's number 1. Number 1. ChatGPT, the foundation of almost every modern marketing stack. Think of it as your on-demand copywriter, strategist, and brainstorming partner. It writes email campaigns, AD copy, landing page text, blog posts, social captions, and video scripts. It turns a blank page, the thing that kills most marketing work before it starts, into a first draft in seconds. But here's where people go wrong, and it's the difference between garbage and gold. They type, "Write me an AD," and get something generic because they gave it nothing to work with. The marketers who get incredible results feed it context, who the customer is, what problem they have, the brand's tone, and examples of what good looks like. The more specific your input, the more the output sounds like a seasoned pro instead of a robot. A smart workflow looks like this. You ask it to brainstorm 10 angles for a campaign, pick the best one, ask it to write 3 versions, and then you refine the winner with your own judgment. What used to be a full day of writing becomes 20 minutes of directing. Number 2. Surfer SEO. This is how you make sure the content you create actually gets found. Writing a great article is half the battle. The other half is structuring it, so Google ranks it above your competitors. That used to require a specialist who understood keywords, headers, and search intent. Surfer does that analysis for you. You give it a topic, and it tells you exactly what to include to rank, which keywords, how long the article should be, which questions to answer, and how to structure it. It scores your content in real time as you write, so you know before you publish whether it has a chance. Here's the smart play most people use. Pair it with Checked. Checked writes the draft, Surfer tells you how to optimize it to rank. One creates, the other makes sure people actually see it. Together they replace an entire content team. Just don't make the classic mistake, stuffing in keywords until the text reads like a robot wrote it. Surfer guides you, but a human still has to keep it readable. Google rewards content people actually want to read. Number 3. AdCreative.ai. If you run paid ads, this one is a game changer. The biggest problem in paid advertising isn't the budget, it's creative fatigue. An AD stops working after people see it too many times, so you constantly need fresh versions. Creating those by hand is slow and expensive. This tool generates dozens of AD variations, banners, social ads, different headlines, and visuals, all optimized for conversions in minutes. Instead of testing 2 ads a week, you can test 20, find the winner faster, and pour your budget into what actually works. And the cost shift here is real. Teams that used to spend $20 to produce a single AD video have cut that to around $2 while making far more of them. That's not a small improvement. That's the kind of edge that lets a solo marketer out-test a big agency. The key is to treat it like a testing machine, not a magic button. Generate many, launch them, kill the losers fast, and scale the winners. AI gives you the volume. Your job is to read the data and decide. Number 4. HeyGen. This is how marketers now make professional video without a camera, a studio, or an actor. Video dominates every platform right now, but producing it is expensive and slow. HeyGen changes the whole equation. You paste in a script, pick a realistic AI presenter from a huge library, and it generates a polished talking head video. Someone looking at the camera, speaking your words with perfect lip sync. And here's the part that makes it powerful for marketing. IT supports dozens of languages. So you can take one product explainer and instantly create versions in English, Spanish, Portuguese, German, reaching global audiences without refilming anything. For product demos, training videos, and ads, this replaces an entire video production process. The mistake to avoid: don't use it for everything. AI presenters are perfect for informational and explainer content, but for deeply emotional brand storytelling, real humans still win. Use it where speed and scale matter most. Number 5. Gumloop. This is the one that ties everything together, and almost nobody outside of top teams is talking about it yet. If you know Zapier, think of this as Zapier with a brain. It lets you connect your tools and build automated workflows, with AI built into every step, without writing a single line of code. Let me make that concrete for marketing. Imagine an automation that monitors social media for every mention of your brand, uses AI to sort them into positive and negative, and drops a daily summary in your inbox. Or one that takes every new lead, researches them automatically, writes a personalized first email, and queues it for your approval. These used to require a developer. Now you build them visually, like connecting blocks. This is where you go from using AI tools to building an AI system, where the boring, repetitive parts of marketing run themselves while you focus on strategy. The marketer who automates is the one who scales without hiring. Number 6. Predis.ai. For the part of marketing that eats the most time, social media. Posting consistently across Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and the rest is a full-time job on its own. This tool generates social media content for you. Post ideas, captions, images, even short videos, and helps you schedule it all in one place. It even analyzes what your competitors are doing well, so you can learn from it. The real value isn't just creation, it's consistency. The algorithms on every platform reward accounts that show up regularly. Most businesses fail at social media not because their content is bad, but because they post 5 times and disappear. A tool that keeps your pipeline full solves the number one reason social marketing fails. The smart approach: let the AI generate the volume and handle the scheduling, but add your own voice and personality on top. The brands that win on social feel human. AI keeps you consistent. You keep it real. And number 7, HubSpot with AI built in. This is the tool that connects your marketing to actual revenue. Everything we've talked about so far creates content and attracts attention. HubSpot is where you capture those leads and turn them into customers. It brings your email marketing, landing pages, and customer data into one place, and the AI layer does the heavy lifting. It writes your email subject lines and calls to action. It predicts which leads are most likely to buy, so you focus your energy where it pays off. It picks the best time to send each email based on when each person actually opens them. The things that used to take a full marketing ops team now happen automatically, connected to real pipeline data instead of guesswork. This is the difference between making content and running a marketing engine. The first 6 tools bring people in. This one makes sure they don't slip through the cracks. So there's your full AI marketing stack. Check for content, Surfer for SEO, AdCreative for ads, HeyGen for video, Gumloop for automation, Predis for social, and HubSpot to turn it all into revenue. 7 tools that, together, do the work of a whole department. But remember what I said at the start, because it's the most important part. Do not go sign up for all 7 today. That's how people end up paying for 7 subscriptions and mastering none. Pick the one that solves your biggest bottleneck right now. If you can't create content fast enough, start with Checked. If your ads keep dying, start with AdCreative. If you drown in repetitive tasks, start with Gumloop. Master one, then add the next. Because the marketers winning in 2026 aren't the ones with the most tools. They're the ones who turned a few of them into a system that runs while they sleep. The technology is here, it's cheap, and it's waiting. The only thing left is for you to start. If this helped, subscribe. Every week I break down exactly how to use AI to work less and earn more. I'll see you in the next one.